program Good Morning from Benin, they issue from independent television. So many things then they happen for our country. People they come out for this our country, they go some other place. Not because they won't get what they won't go do, or better thing they won't go do. So people they go push them, go there, carry them come out, especially women. Carry they go that side, they go there, but this is they find money and the rest. Where this thing the carriers they go. People they don't like this thing. Even the number the other time come and say, yes, see the way this thing they work out, they go say, you know, like the way they force people they do that kind of thing, they say waiting on their mind, they force them they do it. So we go look this matter today. We know how the thing they work out. They go. We get people they want to say we go call, come here, when they talk to us. We get people from Benin here. I will get people from abroad when they say yes, we will bring a come all the way from abroad, make cut on us this thing because now they see and there and they give us first-hand information. We get my brother and friend here, James Dois Yagbon. Welcome to our program.
Thank you, brother.
I agree to you. My brother will be say a day here. We bring him all the way from Germany, right?
Yeah.
We'll bring him maybe say contact to us because they see what they have for Germany there and everything. I'll be the president, founder of Edo Reality
Talk Show.
Talk Show. And I say every time I don't see you well for Facebook and the rest. And this when we say I say you must come here. Now, our brother Edwin Idahosa, welcome to our program.
Thank you.
Thank you. May I start from you,
okay,
Edwin? See, this thing when we say they talk about, so, or you both they call it human trafficking.
Yeah.
But when they look at that, I say, nah, people when we say they look for money, they carry people, say, when I go, they find money for us, especially women and all that. And the way we say they work out, they see your post for Facebook, and they see for WhatsApp, and they see for everything. You they be like person when they say they pay you. Why they think they pay you for body?
Thank you, my Edo, Indigen, and brothers and sisters. I thank you now. Because when I did Germany, or Europe, let me say Europe, I did see my sisters, many of them, they are passing through a lot. They pass through a lot where say, not be their heart, they're supposed to do this kind of job. But because of poverty and no opportunity for them, let make them come Europe. But the people that sponsored them, make they can't do this thing, them, their life is like they must do it. Even though they do it, they must pay all the money completely. And it's not €1. My brother, 70,000 euro, 50,000 euro.
But when I say Father come on, that body still there.
Some of them, where I still they talk now, some of them don't see their period again.
Okay. Well, what you going to make you the invest in somebody say, now they agree to the work, they don't force them, they don't put God for their head now.
No. The reason, even though they put gun or they not put gun, they're supposed to know, say, this person, not person like them, not human person like them. If I want to help you do something, okay, I will tell you, say, see the kind of job where you want to go do. But being as you don't first do one, and you not survive from this side, then person where you want to bring, no use that mind where God take, where devil take punish you till they look the other person, because you don't know how life want change about the person tomorrow.
Okay, they come back to you. May I come to you, James? See, if you see this is what they call human trafficking now. The black say they come, carry some people from here, go abroad, go to say, see what you must do. Black now enslavement. Hey, somebody went and go to school that time. Even before we come in just now, my brother Edwin, that was told us say, now modern day slavery, not that one be. What you need to talk about that one?
Yes, not true. They say human trafficking. Now, no, they say be like human enslavement, modern day slavery. For this organization, Edo Reality Foundation Talk Show, for over 12 years now, will be in these activities. We not just enter to make money, because as we see our fellow human, we get daughters, we get sisters as they do them. For me, with the Nigeria here, we don't do so many arrests. We don't prescribe so many. And if they carry them go, they will tell some, say, if you reach there, now salary you want to they walk. Now tomatoes farm you want to go. If they reach there, it will be different ball game. Make I tell you one story. One of the victim reported on for Germany. Say she now 13 years.
13 years.
Yes. When they can come, they say she want to carry baby for
somebody.
Madam here say now I daughter born for that side. She no fit go. Made this girl go. They say Abuja they want for kind of enter play. From Abuja now they can go Libya. From Libya come that side. As he reach that side, he say tell madam say in a virgin never know man o. Madam come say make he no talk that one. He say and madam come use hand take test am. Truly abo never open and madam come be 3 boys that night made the virginal. As the door finish say that night he cannot go road. So the madam dey that way. So you know our system here before police try to interpol and not to bring the madam come face the charges here in a long process.
So this state government gets okay this thing when BCE say that they do to fight against human trafficking and that. Even the palace self, they get it the way BCE they do to fight against all these things. And they come to you, my brother. Now they look and say they're supposed to meet with this kind of people and say how to join forces together to fight all these kind of things.
Yes, we do. Often we write a petition to Edo State Committee on Human Trafficking in Government House there, which we have a government have essay on it. Also, they have police in that place there. So often they go after the those persons, and but it's somehow that our system here slow a lot of issues.
Okay, so now they get the desired result one-on-one and the time, the pace.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, and government as in most times they don't really give us enable
environment support, the kind of support I need to take do this thing.
Yes, because often we have so many cases that we've done in court who have difficulties paying lawyers and others.
Okay, may I come to you, my brother? See, you when we decide yesterday, talk and say that they carry some of these guys, they deceive them, they go, take the different things, especially the way we say don't pass that bad road before, they'll still go force people here to pass the bad road. But when they get cases of people, men, when they carry their own children, their own wife go. I know say for Benin years, look at it na taboo. Now batting, now waiting to see the law no one, and we see tradition no one. But they'll say, hey, make it go come back. We will use goats, take do the whole thing and everything. For your own, what you get to talk about this kind of the thing? When BCE say, they don't force the woman now. Now the husband, now say make it go. Or the woman don't come out, run, leave your husband, say no, they do marry again. She go on her own. This kind of people, how you want to take a journal with the first one first talk?
Like those people now open eyes and they worry them. Open eyes.
Okay, so, what they call greed.
Greedy, now they worry them. Because like our tradition here, that one is totally against everything.
Against it, right?
And then what me see for this human trafficking. When I started this human trafficking, I started because of the pain where our sister they receive for their body. So when I continue doing it, the Obaseki heard my information, heard my news.
The governor?
The governor heard my news and bring it to our Oba Atokpe. So then our royal father said, okay, this is a good information. Before this time, I was working with...
They bring the grammar come down.
Before the time, I did work with Josephine. I never know my brother. I did work with Josephine. This is an immigration woman in Airport Road. So with the arrest, the juju men, with the arrest all those madam, before I see as the job can be, they can't take my lawyer.
Okay, you know what you go do there? More take small break. We'll come back continue for us to get one message we need to pass, and then we'll come back continue for where be safe. They're not going anywhere.
The number of street kids is growing by the day. Many are exposed to the vagaries of life, including death. You can do something to rescue these innocent souls roaming our streets. Be the change today. Support an orphanage. This message is brought to you courtesy in the...
We need to say how BC they give helping hand to others. That make them sure that these things are you going to know how you take help other people too when we say they're around you. And Edwin, they tell us how they help for this kind of matter when we say concern human trafficking and the rest. So Edwin, I ask you just that those people they when we say they get the blessing of their husband. The family agree, say carry my pikin go and the rest. Where you want to put this one?
the family agree.
Carry my daughter.
Carry my
Even the
daughter
daughter safe. Because they say, we get what they talk here. They say, I got it till the Atamegbe, Abi. Would they hear that kind of
that? That is the greediness part of it. That is the reason we the Edo, right from time, we never know what is human trafficking or taking our children to abroad for prostitution. But because of the greediness, now make many people start up. When they start this thing, nobody attack them. Now make it can get different branches. We know where they not stop. Where if not because God put something on my body, because lucky don't first try now. Look, our lucky excellency.
The former governor.
He try, but it not work. But when we try, all of them, they can say person they pass person.
Okay, say where you stop that you decide to improve or waiting don't do why you get the kind of result what you expect them to get. But they find out one thing. The people that were in BC did that side, these women now, when BC you don't see for there. If you say yes, a person when BC get mind to see this kind of thing, they're not doing. So you call these people one after the other because it tells you somebody can report to you at a point. Now call they say, now start to see how they tell them, maybe they remove hand for this kind of bad thing. And person when BC don't reach there, you don't get how BC if you take wrong, come on, say they come back to Nigeria. If they say they handle for that kind of thing.
Some of them would like to go back to Nigeria. But the problem, the madam will be threatening their mother in Nigeria that if your daughter run, I will come send boys, toys, make they come beat them, or you go use that police to arrest them. But when we come, when they know say they arrest the Ojuju, they deal with all of them, then all of them can stay clear. They not get chance again to arrest anybody. So now make say our Oba Benin come out, come sue put. But as it still sue, they say the sue now, not just only Edo and the Asia. Edo State, but did not reach data. So they go come carry our guests, carry good debtors.
Go swear.
Go swear, they carry them, still go abroad.
Okay.
But not before Europe now, they will carry them go Malaysia, they will carry them go Ghana, they will carry them go
different countries.
Dubai. Like one lady where I know for Benin here, she can't do marriage last time. They say get almost 12 guests. So that is the reason why I say I must come to ITV.
Okay, we'll talk about this kind of matter. You see, like some people there for line. We go take this call. Somebody there for line because somebody they interested. They don't call us. They want to find out what it be say they happen. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, I want.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. I hear you.
You want to contribute?
Yeah, good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
We dey hear you. Carry on. Who they talk to?
Okay, I want.
What will be your name?
My name is Gabriel.
Okay, what do you want to know?
Okay, I'm Gabriel from Sio.
Carry on. What will be the question?
Gabriel from Sio. I want to ask this my question.
Carry on now. Ask the question.
Okay, this man, you dey fight people where they are abroad, made I dey talk now. You dey fight people, you fight a position for overseas, but we get for different place for Benin here where they do position. Go to Oluku, for instance, go to Ring Road. Why you know they fight? Why you don't fight those ones?
Thank you.
Why people abroad don't they fight?
Okay.
So I want to know those ones because most of now we dey do this thing. So bless my for our self-interest.
Okay.
Now the
okay. We hear what you say you talk. You see, my brother Edwin. You say una dey fight this thing for abroad and the rest, but you see they do this kind of bad market for Benin here. He talk and say for Oluku, say they do am for some other areas them.
Okay, thank you, my brother, for that question where you asked. I'm very happy. When I'm coming back to Germany, coming back to Nigeria, I said that I'm coming to ITV to help me tell the governor, make all those prostitution with the Oluku, Ubagwe, and all those areas, Blaza, we are going to clear everything. I talked to you yesterday. I said you should go and write petition so that we clear all those prostitution out from the street. It's a taboo.
Okay, because the person talk and I say, if you want to start anything, make you start from home.
Yeah,
if you say it's a taboo, some countries they will be say they legalize prostitution.
Yes.
That is for them. But Nigeria, those states will never neglect prostitution.
Okay, you know why they like to deal with you, because you now person when we say you did that size. Me, I never go Germany before, so I know you did laugh. I never go Germany before, so now the thing. So these our sisters, they were be say a day for them, because which kind suffer, which kind thing that they face there now when you be say you don't really like.
Okay, thank you, my brother. I'm there for many years, and then like our sister, some of them, their period will cease because condom where they buy, they don't buy original condom because not be some get money. They will just buy the condom and the water of the condom will come block their virginity. Some of them, they know they see their period today. Many of them, some of them, they not get baby. Their womb don't spoil. Some of them, they get disease, HIV, many type of disease. And some of them, if you go to their house, you will see the body go just smell. Person will never die. The body will just smell. If they carry children, they come maybe kindergarten. They will tell us make it stay 10 minutes far away before
you carry Piqueta school.
Yes, many problems they face. Like what I get for you now. If you hear the news about what I put to this girl, you will cry.
Okay. You see, all this experience, one make with the share themselves, we go feel they know how to they work out here. Because people just look and say money. Once you go that place, you go there, you go make money when you say you come. But the body to take enjoy the money, you know day again. So James, make I ask you now. This kind of case where like say people go that side, go take body, take find money, and we talk say you say no be holy thing. We not like them. It then gets our tradition, it then gets our custom and the rest. Then they go build houses, they'll come put them for here. Some of the ones they feel will go do and come back. At the end of the day, you constantly people come they die or come they get to carry a sickness like my brother they talk now. When we say even science, medicine no fit cure them and the rest. What do you advise for this kind of matter?
My advice be say make parents and those guests not they greedy for money matter. If you work here, you make money, you go live life, you go enjoy life. The truth be say, we don't do some cases, the parents go say they don't get hand in it too. After the arrest, the madam who carry this girl go meet her daughter that side, go tell you say, na the mama of the girl.
Now give me.
Now give me. You see, so the law don't know that one.
Okay, so by application now, when it dey good, the parents go agree say it good. When it don't back down,
yes,
the control body come out.
Yes. So parents too must learn how to manage what they have. Not be house be life alone now. Peace of mind better pass who get house no can get peace of mind. Too. I thank God for our Oba we come swear put a lot of obo.
Native doctors there.
Yes, in fact, we do arrest some. They will carry the girl under baby, happy baby.
Okay. Hair
and baby na same thing.
Okay, carry on.
And now, so police go into the shrine. They will write the girl name. They will put them inside the shrine also. Because this girl, why you do that kind of thing? She say she no say na night. They say me she come bath as she reach there. They come say me she come there.
She must do all those things.
Yeah, shave
her body and the rest.
And no. So now just greedy for money. Some of us we not go abroad, but we feel they pay us. We even build house here. Most of it now, guys don't like the learn work again. They want just do and go abroad. And not they abroad again now. Prostitution for abroad now. If you go there now sickness, untimely death, then you go carry come. You don't be like as before. Like my brother talk, when would they come just now? So many they call, I better go say he married for many years, he no come born no, because he don't use the money. But
that's why the boy take find money.
But they will say you use take build 8 flats. That body, which people want go pass that body come life again. That body don't finish now. So now greed, now parents go beg here, because their new style now be say they carry the daughter go Agbo.
Go outside the states.
Yes. If I'm allowed to mention one strand now for Agbo, they can read to now. They will say Oba Nadu State. Yeah.
Okay. So what you're trying to talk now, say the swear when Omonoba swear, say now within the kingdom.
Yes. And now lie you, as you are a Benin person, if you carry your daughter or you be madam, can I go either Abo, anyway, I saw you're a Benin person. That social media they follow you.
Okay.
Yeah, so now that one I want to make them know say, not just say you just leave after Abuja, say you say you not be bad in the work. In fact, as far as you are a Benin person, if you dey Japan, you do that way up as well, me not do. It go catch you.
Okay, make I come to you, my brother. Edwin.
Yeah.
You get one to and be so you talk. You say poverty, that more people they do this kind of thing.
Yeah.
You say greed, that more people they do this kind of thing. You know, if you say government get their own role to still play, because if poverty they cost some, greed they cost some, maybe greed cost 50, poverty cost 50. By the time they say government get their own role where they play, maybe they feel reduce that poverty level. The number of still reduce. What you get to talk for that area? Maybe say concern poverty.
Thank you very
much.
much.
Don't talk about greed.
Thank you very much. For like that statement where you talk, our government supposed to dey help our women, all those old women, especially women wey get children.
Okay.
If na 2,000 or 5,000 a month, they go give them.
Okay, that is special welfare package.
Yes, that one go still give them that mind. Say every month I go to receive money, so that money I go to use until they buy small things.
So by application, and because people don't feel take care of themselves now,
yes,
maybe they'll feel push their children.
Yes,
they do again. Okay.
Maybe the person will get 5 children, 7 children now, and they not get food. Maybe husband not there again. So what you want to do? Go say I want to set 2 of my children. They sell them. Taking our daughters to abroad, they sell them. Now sell. Because whether they die, they not die, will not concern the women again. Because they don't take those sacrifice for those girls. Some of our sisters don't, many of them don't die now. Many they see them.
Because sometimes people will just say, Sister Cecilia, they call us. You know they call again, you know they hear from them again. Nobody
if you go like Italy now and France, many of our sisters, they decrease.
Okay.
They decrease.
Okay. We got somebody for line again. We will take this other call because people they're very interested. They want to know what it is they read they happen. I mean that they phone in. We got this call. We'll take this call. Somebody for line. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Who do you talk to?
Okay, this is Nosa from Benin.
Okay, Nosa, which question you want to ask or what you want to know?
Calling from Ubawo.
Okay, what you want to know?
I want to ask this Malga something, this Edwin.
Okay.
The question where I want to ask him is, as they talk of prostitution from Benin and Nigeria and everywhere, what of government people, politicians, if they want to do something like what is the call hospitality, this thought will cost. But government will come to pay people, maybe they go to bring guests from the universities. So they host people with the come. Okay. Don't have the position, don't have the encouragement.
Okay, thank you very much. You hear what he say talk. This is another line again. He say, and with the same for our society. Say somebody go come now because they say they for the high class. When they come now, maybe they get to the do politicians according to her. He said they will also maybe they go bring guests, call from universities, bring guests for different places. Maybe they go pack them, maybe they go satisfy these men and the rest. Because I remember one time they talked to one man. He said some people come on the way from Abuja. See, they go bring wheelbarrow call for that. So we shall be wheelbarrow. What is what wheelbarrow to do? Don't tell me say that women. So man find out. He said that kind of one. No prostitution. What do they do for that kind of area?
Like those men, you will see some of them. They don't get wife for house. Some of them,
be responsible.
Some of them, they are irresponsible human beings. They don't get life for their family and they don't get life for their self. Because those girls, when they say they want, maybe they go bring come. They know whether some of them get the disease. They feel make love to them, maybe with condom. But certain things will happen. Maybe they will go use that penny instead they sleep with their wife.
Maybe something they use.
And all this kind of thing. Those government with the do whether governor or this one or anyone
or that politician
or a politician, na irresponsible man, na I call them.
So in this kind of that kind of case now, what do they do for that kind of thing? They sensitize them, talk to the people.
They have to stop it.
Okay.
They are destroying our daughters.
Okay.
They are destroying our women. Women supposed to have their proud. That is what I want.
Okay. Ma come to you, James. You see what you talk now. You say women supposed to get their pride and the rest, but the men, black and they debase them, they exploit them,
yes,
and that kind of thing. So that kind of thing. You know, go may I ask you, this matter when we say it concerns women, especially our girls and the rest, because the story when you tell me about that 13-year-old girl, just I want to be say it shocked me and the rest. 13-year-old girl, they never do that kind of thing before. They force and go, they force, but themselves enter the woman, the girl, that same night they carry and go road. Maybe say that kind of thing happen. So this kind of matter, now they find way to prosecute this kind of matter for court. Because me no say you be lawyer.
Yes. Thank you. We have 1 or 2 cases in court, like that very girl own. Let me tell you one very bad thing. When, after doing the petition to the police and the CP approved the petition, the father wait for the talk to us. As the girl tell the father, say, make come show us the madam house. The man off in phone, he changed the line. As she described the father house, we don't feel locate the father house. When I do try to convince the father, but I say no, say.
He said no feel locate the father. How to see the father?
The girl report to our office for Germany.
Okay.
So they feed us back here. We talk to the girl on phone. The girl can describe the house where they fed day for upper, still in a rented house, but the father they Abo Road now. After doing the petition, it is the father that will not lead us to the madam. Because the way she described the address.
So the madam, like the father can't shy away.
Yes.
Because these are some of the challenges now they get.
Yes. And most of them, that's what they do. They say the madam will you take it demo or whatever. So the parents are really part of the problem. Okay. We have some of them.
So if you want to give advice to these parents, what you should advise you give to them? Because time may be our friend again now.
Yes. The other be say, your children as they come out. Support them.
Maybe listen to this.
No, we don't get that and say listen to us.
See what they happen to this.
Support them.
To these girls.
Support them so that they will have a freedom. Also, they should be say most of the parents they are also part of it.
Okay.
Most of the parents they are also part of it. For instance, some will tell you that their daughter just come out. She don't know where she go. You don't tell police. You don't tell government say my pikin lost. So parents are really the problem we have. So our own position is this: let government really support us. We did ask us, give us money. If we have more than 4 or 5 cases, government should be able to provide a lawyer to handle the cases. The cases also. Okay. Sometimes police don't have vehicle. Okay. So we have to rent a vehicle for us to go for the arrest. And this money not from
personal pockets.
Yes.
Okay. May I come to you, Edwin, with the roundup now? Okay. You talk about challenges when they get parents and challenges when they get. If I want to ask you this challenge, we don't already enumerate them. Don't call all of them. Which one be the advice when we say you get? Now, maybe the last one I want to take for you before we leave here.
Okay. Thank you.
To both parents, to the girls, and to government.
Okay.
To parents first.
First and foremost, I have to beg I beg Una.
Parents.
The parents. I beg. May not stop encouraging our children to abroad for prostitution. It's a disease. It's a bad thing. Now they destroy them. Now they say they're not born. Now they not get time for them. That is the reason that they send them.
Okay, what about the guests now? And
the guests, not be everything when our parents go tell now, especially that prostitution. Men are not listening to them. If they not get money, tell or they there. Anything where you go fit do for your life, try to do than prostitution. Okay. It's not a good thing.
What about government?
Government try as much as possible. Men are they help our mothers. I beg. If not small thing, is better than just leave them.
Okay, with the talk since our brothers there, when we say they come from Edo reality
top show,
they don't tell us say this kind of thing is they bad when we say concern human trafficking. Our brother Edwin Idahosa, he came all the way from Germany, so he can share his experience with us. He don't tell us the kind of things that when we see all these girls in the face. As what they make and the pain and pass now, they say yes, some of these people. These girls and they don't see their, they don't feel see their menses, they don't feel born, they don't feel do anything, they don't feel live better life. And when they're sick and they die for different sickness, when we say they get through this human trafficking, and the guy when we see the color, they tell us now modern day slavery, and this in the carriers they go back home and make change our hand. And they will get advice for parents. Parents don't take your children, take down. Children, if your parents say make you go do that kind of thing, or even the man, your wife, you say make your wife go do that kind of thing, tell am say you no go do so I go get better society. My brother James Edo Isiagun.
Oh, thank you, my brother.
I call the name well.
Yes.
I greet you so much. Abba, I shake you. Make we stretch body. Edwin, that's thank you so much. I sure say next time we'll call you come here so I can talk this matter again.
Okay.